Children, today we will study the place value of a digit. First, you have to understand what is a digit. The numbers from 0 to 9 are called digits. So, therefore, we are having total 10 number of digits. Then next, we will come to what is a number. When we write these digits in the combination, that means 2 or more digits when we are writing together, then they form a number or numeral. For example, 64, 768, 57,69,432. These are the numbers. Now what is a place value? Because we have to find out the place value of a digit. The place value is nothing but the position of a digit in a number. Position means what? The position of that digit in a table, periodic table. That is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Suppose this is a number and I have to find out the place value of 6 in it. So arrange this number here. The 6 is placed at 10's place. What to do? Multiply 6 by 10, we get 60. So 60 is the place value of 6 in this number. Now suppose I have to find out the place value of 3. Here the 3 is placed at lakhs place. So multiply 3 by lakh, 1 lakh, we will get 3 lakh. The place value of 3 is 3 lakh. And 0, when we place 0 here, so it has always a place value 0. Now next topic is Indian versus international numeration system. That means you have to compare the one single number as Indian as well as international. Here this is international numeration system in which we have ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. With the help of this table you can find that in each period there are 3 digits. Here 3, here 3 and here 3. And 3 places also ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100, ones, tens and 100. But in Indian numeration system, only the first period is same. In second period, we have only 2 places, ones and tens. Here in lakhs also ones and tens, and in crores also ones and tens. Now I will show you how to compare up to 5-digit number. See here, up to 5-digit number, the value of the number will be same in both Indian and international numeration system. For example, this 5-digit number in Indian can be read as 10,000, as well as in international it will read as 10,000. And we can put a comma also, which will be common. But when we extend it up to 6-digit number, here this is a 6-digit number. In Indian numeration system it is lakh, but in international numeration system it is 100,000. So 6-digit number can be written as 1 lakh, and in international it is 100,000. 7-digit number if we are taking, this is a 7-digit number. In international numeration, in 7-digit number, in Indian numeration system it is placed at 10 lakh, but in international numeration system it is at 1 million. So 7-digit number can be written as 10 lakh in Indian numeration system, while in international numeration system it is 1 million. Similarly, when we move to 8, and if we take a 8-digit number, then in Indian numeration system it is 1 crore, while in international numeration system it is 10 million. 1 crore and 10 million. When we take a 9-digit number, a huge number, then in international numeration system it is 10 crores, while in international numeration system it is 100 million. So don't get scared in comparing these two numbers. It is very easy. When you arrange this in a table, when you arrange a number in this type, in this table, so you can easily compare two numbers. Thank you.